You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. It's important that you get it right, because if you don't, well, it might sound like a pretty bad word. So it is pronounced sheet. So you need to make a long E sound, okay? If it's a short E, it's going to sound like a bad word, excrement, if you know what that means. You need to pronounce it sheet, like the sheets that you have on your bed, or a sheet of paper. So make sure you make a long E sound. The double E here is for a long E sound. Sheet. Sheet. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.